Good morning, class. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to do exercise 8th E. Divide and check the answer. Children, as in the previous videos of chapter 8, we also have done division. But there in previous videos, when we divide the number, the numbers were completely divisible by the divisor. But in this exercise, the dividends which are given to us to divide are not completely divisible. So here we will get remainder. Remainder is that number which is smaller than divisor, or we can say that which is not further divisible by divisor. Let's start the work to understand what is remainder. As till now, I told you three terms, that is dividend, divisor and quotient. And in this exercise, we are going to learn one more term, that is remainder. Let's start the work. The question is divide and check the answer. Question number 1, A part. Children, you can see the work on the screen also. Divide 9 by 2. Here children, you can see the dividend is 9 and divisor is 2. As I told you that in this exercise we will get remainder. You can see that 9, and we have to we have to read the table of 2, which is divisor. How many times we should need to read the table of 2? We have to divide 9 by 2, but we know that in the table of 2 there is no 9. The number 9 is not there in the table of 2. So we will read the table of 2 till 8. 2 4 ja 8. If we will count table 2 5 ja 10, 10 will greater than 9. We will not subtract 10 from 9. So we will take less than 9, and the less than and maximum number which comes in the table of 2, that is 8. So we will divide 9 by 2 4 times. 2 4 ja 8. Now subtract 8 from 9. The answer is, the remainder is 1 and the quotient is 4. So here in this exercise, the answers which we are getting, these are quotient as well as remainder. Quotient is 4 and remainder is 1. And in the question it is written that divide and check the answer. We have to check the answer also. As you know, the formula of checking the answer in division, that is dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Because in this exercise we are getting remainder also. So this is the rule, this is the formula. By using this formula, we will check the answer. So we will put the values here. Dividend is 9 is equal to quotient is 4 and divisor is 2 plus sign and remainder is 1. Solve this equation. 4 2s are 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, and you can see dividend is also 9. We have satisfied the equations. Both sides are satisfied now. 9 is equal to 9. In this way we have checked the answer. The answer is correct. So this is the pattern. Using this pattern we have to do all the sums. Now we will do B question. The question is divide 7 by 4. You know that in the table of 4 there is no number 7. So we will divide 7. We will read the number of 4 before or less than 7. That is 1. 4 1 ja 4. If we will read it 4 2 ja 8. 8 is greater than 7. So we cannot subtract 8 from 7. So we will go less than number that is below 7, and that is 4 only. 4 1 ja 4. Subtract 4 from 7, we will get 3. And further, if we will divide 3 by 4, we cannot divide 3 by 4 because divisor is greater than remainder. 3 is less than 4. We cannot divide it. So this is called remainder and we cannot divide it further. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. We will check this answer again. The formula is dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Here we will put the values. Dividend is 7, quotient is 1, divisor is 4 and remainder is 3. 4 1 ja 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7 and dividend is also 7. In this way we have checked these answers also. Now we will move to the third question. C part of question number 1. The question is, here the number is 2-digit number, dividend is 2-digit number, that is 58. Divide it by 5. So first we will divide the number that is on the tens place, that is 5. 5 1 ja 5. Subtract 5 from 5, this is 0. Then bring 8 down and now you can see that there is a 8 like a dividend and we have to divide this 8 by divisor 5. In the table of 5 there is no 8, so we will read the table below 8, that is 5 1 ja 5. Subtract it, here it is 3. So this is remainder, 3 is remainder and 11 is quotient. We will check it again. Dividend, write the formula, is equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. The dividend is 58. The number which is inside is called dividend. Dividend is 58. Quotient is 11 and divisor is 5 plus remainder is 3. 11 5 ja 55 plus 3. 55 plus 3 is 58, which is equal to the dividend. So we have checked it also. Now we have one more part of this question, that is D part. The question is, divide 79 by 7. 7 1 ja 7 is 0. Take 9 down. 7 1 ja 7. Subtract 7 from 9. This is 2. The remainder is 2. We will check it. Write the formula first. Dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. The dividend is 79, quotient is 11 and divisor is 7 and remainder is 2. Multiply it, 7, 11, 7 ja 77 plus 2. This is 79, which is equal to dividend. So we have satisfied both sides of is equal to sign. So this is checked. Children, now we will move to question number 2. You can see in the exercise, question number 2, here we have to divide the number only. There in these sums we have not to check the answers, we have to divide only. Question number 2, A part. Here the numbers are of 3 digits. 367 is dividend divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down 6, 3 2 ja 6. 6 minus 6 is 0, or we can put cross sign. Bring down 7. 3 2 ja 6. Here we will get remainder. Remainder 1. The quotient is 122 and remainder is 1. Now we will do B part. The dividend is 889 divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8. 0. Bring 8 down. Again 8 1 ja 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Or we can put cross sign. Now we will bring down 9. 8 1 ja 8. 8 minus 9 is 1. The quotient is 111 and remainder is 1. C part. The dividend is of 4 digits. 2467 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 0, take 4 down, 2 2 ja 4, 0, take 6 down, 2 3 ja 6, 6 minus 6 is 0, 7, 7. There is no 7 in the table of 2, so we will go up to 6. 2 3 ja 6. Here 1 is remainder. D part. 3000. The dividend is 3695. Divide it by 3. 3 1 ja 3, cross. 3 2 ja 6, cross. Bring 9 down. 3 3 ja 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Last number is 5. 3 1 ja 3. Here the remainder is 2. Now we will move to the third question. Here the sums are given in the row form. First we will change them into division form and then we will divide the numbers. Question number 3, A part. In this sum, all the dividends are of 2 digits. 65 divided by 2. 2 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Take 5 down. 2 2 is 4 and 1 is remainder. Now B question. Divide 98 by 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Take 8 down. 3 2 is 6. Here 2 is remainder. Now C part. Divide 87 by 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Next number is 7. 4 1 is 4. Here the remainder is 3. Now we will do D part of question number 3. The question is 92 by 3. Divide 92 by 3. 3 3 is 9. This is cross. Here children you can see that the next digit is 2, which is smaller than divisor, which is smaller than 3. So we cannot divide 2 by 3. We will put 0 on the quotient place. Here the remainder is 2 and quotient is 30. Now we will move to the next part. Next question, that is question number 4. A part of this question is here. In this question, in question number 4, all the dividends are of 3-digit numbers. We will divide these numbers. In the A part, the question is 245. We have to divide it by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 0. Take 4 down. 2 2 is 4, 0. Take 5 down. 2 2 is 4. Here 1 is remainder. And 122 is quotient. Now we will do B part. The question is 964 divided by 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Take 6 down. 3 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Take 4 down. 3 1 ja 3. Minus, subtract 3 from 4. This is 1. 1 is remainder and 321 is quotient. Now C part of question number 4 is 647 divided by 2. 2 3 is 6 minus 6 0. Bring 4 down. 2 2 is 4. Cross. Bring 7 down. 2 3 is 6. Subtract 6 from 7. This is 1. Now D part. The question is 669. Divide it by 6. 1 ja 6. 0. Again 6 1 ja 6 minus 0. Take 9 down. 6 1 ja 6. Remainder is 3. Now we will do question number 5. A part. The question is 207. Divide it by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 0. Next digit is also 0. Take it on the quotient place. We cannot divide 0 by 2. Now 7. 2 3s are 6. This is 1. The quotient is 103 and remainder is 1. Now B part. B part is 308 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 0. Bring down next digit, that is 0. So we will write this digit on the quotient place, because when we divide 0 by any number, the answer is 0. Take 8 down. 3 2s are 6. Subtract it from 8. The remainder is 2. Now C part. C part is 809 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 0. Bring 0 on the quotient place. This is 9. 4 2s are 8. Subtract it. This is 1. The remainder is 1. Now we will do D part of question number 5. This is 703 divided by 7. 7 1 ja 7. This is 0. Next number is 0. Write it on the quotient place. Now bring down next number, that is 3. Children, you can see 3 is smaller than 7. We cannot divide it. So this is called remainder, and at the quotient place we will write 0. Children, in this exercise, in this video, we are doing this much sums. Question up to question number 5. We have more sums to do. In this exercise, there are 10 questions and parts of 10 questions are there. So we cannot complete these page in this video. So I am terminating this video here only. And in the next video, we will start the work from question number 6. Till then, bye everybody. Take care of you.